Today, I'm building an AI personal assistant that learns about you over time and uses that information to personalize responses. I'll show you how to use n8n's new data tables to store user insights and apply them across different workflows. I'm building Caylee, a personal assistant that collects information about the user through conversations, things like their preferences, interests, and habits. This data gets stored in n8n's data tables and used to customize chat responses and also generate personalized news content. Let me show you this in action. Let's go ahead and start a conversation with our Telegram personal assistant called Caylee. So what's going to happen here is that the persistent memory from the n8n data table is going to get retrieved, and all the information that it recalls from past conversations about me, my email, where I'm from, my dog's name, my interests, and my favorite teams, that's all saved within the n8n data table here. So I've created a data table here, and now I can add to it. So I can go into here and say, I like Italian food, and it will save this fact about me also in the data table. So we'll see that in action. All right, so it's said that it's now saved this also as information that it knows about me. So if I go to the n8n data table and refresh it, it's added this. So this is now persistent memory that Caylee knows about me. All right, let's ask it a question. I'm going to New York next week. Suggest some restaurants that I might enjoy. All right, so it's looked at my profile and understood that my favorite cuisine is Italian. And so it's going to focus on looking for Italian spots in Manhattan and Brooklyn. And it's using the Perplexity tool to search for Italian restaurants, and it's giving me some recommendations. All right, let's go ahead and send this to my email. So I'm going to say, please email this to me. So it's remembered from before what my email address is, and it'll just go ahead and use that email address to send. All right, so it's sent it to this email address. So using the information that Caylee has learned from interactions with me on Telegram, I can take that information, the personal information from my data table, and run a news research workflow that is customized, especially for my preferences and the topics I'm interested in. So it's going through this workflow, and it's doing internet research through Perplexity here. And then from there, it's going to generate an audio that gives a summary of the news research, and then it's going to send it to my Telegram session. All right, it's completed the work here, and I have my output. So let's see.
Here's your personalized news update for September 20th, 2025. Sports update. Great news for your teams. Your Toronto Blue Jays are having an excellent season, sitting at 89 wins and 65 losses, leading the American League East Division. They're just 6 wins away from clinching their first division title since 2015, with their magic number down to 6. Meanwhile, your Los Angeles Dodgers have already secured their playoff spot for the 13th straight year with an 87-67 record, leading the National League West by 4 games over San Diego. In basketball, the Golden State Warriors are gearing up for another season, currently ranked first in the Pacific Division. There's ongoing contract drama with Jonathan Kuminga that could impact their roster construction. Your Toronto Raptors have drafted promising forward Colin Murray-Boyles and are preparing for the 2025-26 season. AI and tech breakthroughs. September has been huge for AI development. Samsung hosted their AI forum from September 15th to 16th, bringing together global AI.
So it goes on for another minute or two, but you get the idea of how personalized this news is based on what Caylee has learned from interactions with me through the chats. So let's walk through the two n8n workflows that support the demo that you just saw. So we have a personal life manager workflow through Telegram here that implements our Caylee AI personal assistant. And then we have this personalized news workflow that takes the personalized data and does the research and then sends that to our Telegram chat. So starting with the first one, high level, it goes through, listens to message from Telegram, decides whether or not it's voice or text. If it's voice, goes down this path. We transcribe the voice to text, and then that feeds that into Caylee, the AI personal assistant. But if it's text, it just goes through this path. And Caylee here is an AI agent. So this agent is connected to Open Router, which is using the GPT-5 mini model, and it has connections to all these different tools here. So this is tools from Google to get tasks and create the task. So this is one is to create the task. This one is to get the task. And then similarly, we have Google tools here to get email and to send email. And then similarly, for lookup calendar and create calendar is also uh, Google tools. Now, I want to focus a little bit more time on these two nodes. So these are the new nodes that support the new data table. So I'll just go in here and walk through that. So there's a new tool nodes that allow you to operate on a row resource, and you can get, delete, insert, update, or upsert. So in this case, it's implementing a get operation, and it's coming from this personal assistant data table. So this personal assistant data table you created here. So when I go back to the homepage, now there is a new entry here called create data table. So I'll go ahead and select that. So this data table, I can create a new data table, and data tables are essentially Google Sheets that are built in, right? So it has the advantage of being super fast, much faster than access to a Google Sheet because everything's local. And it also has the advantage that you don't need to have any authentication or any credentials because you're already authenticated. So what you can do here is you can uh, add a column. So I've added a, user ID column to keep track of the Telegram user ID. I've added an insights column to keep track of all the insights that Caylee is keeping track of my preferences. All right, so I've done that, and then uh, as the data is updated, this field here is updated. All right, so then I have this, and then there's also another UI element here. I can look at all the data tables I created into this tab here. All right, so I'll go back to my AI assistant and look at these nodes in particular. So this tool, what it'll do is I'm taking from this data table, right, this persistent data. So in this case, I'm trying to get data from this data table. I'm going to match any condition with this condition being that the string, the user ID, is from the Telegram user ID. So from the message, there's a user ID. So as long as it matches that, I'm going to get the row from it. So it's just going to get the insights column from my row. And then the upsert, this is when, so this is the upsert row here. So we upsert and we're getting the same table, match any condition. And it's also keying off of the user ID. I'm getting that from Telegram. And then what I'm doing here is I am upserting the values into the row that has user ID from the Telegram chat ID. And I'm getting the insights that are populated by the AI. Right. So how this works is that at the beginning of a message, Caylee is going to take an incoming request, and then it's going to first consult the personal assistant data table, right? So that's the new n8n table before generating a response, and it's going to gather information from that, including user's preference, as input into this request. So it's going to then process this, and it's going to then say, whenever you detect new insights or updates about the user, such as interests, habits, goals, feedback, or any notable activities, immediately update the personal assistant data table with these findings. So Caylee will know to use this tool here and this tool to update my data tables, right? So this data table here will, first of all, get updated with the user ID based on the based on the Telegram chat info ID, and then also this insights column will be constantly updated during the conversations. All right, so this in total represents how Caylee interacts with the user and gets information from the user. Now, the second part of this workflow is this personalized news, right? So it's based on the schedule trigger. So this schedule trigger will trigger a certain time, and it's going to take this uh, data data table node, and it's also going to get operation, and we're going to get from this data table the personal assistant. It's going to match any condition. So we're just going to get, in this case, this is a single user. We'll just get that user ID, get that row, and it's going to process that information. So, but look at the news researcher. So this AI agent is saying that you are a news researcher who creates action-focused research outputs based on latest news, always guided by up-to-date user interests. So what we want to do here is analyze the user insights from that table, and then customize that latest news to this user based on the preference, and then include also general latest news headline that might be of interest, especially breaking news. Make it rather short because you don't want to be too long of a report, and then provide some additional details here, right? So this will then uh, take the user insights from here, do a research, internet research, and I'm using again the open router, but I'm using the Perplexity Sonar Deep Research model. So this already has access to internet and has ability to do a good amount of research on that given topic, and then it's going to produce output that will go into my OpenAI generate. So that I have a generate audio, and in here it's going to do a text to speech on the text input from the news researcher. So after it does that, we send this into Telegram, and we're getting the information on where to send it back. So this is also from persistent memory. So we got this from the data table here, and we're going to send it back into the Telegram node. Thanks for watching. If you want to go deeper, feel free to join us in the AI Automation Engineering School community. There's a founding member offer. We're doing a soft launch. Join now to secure lifetime access to special community pricing.